I think telling a Chinese story in green transition is definitely really important. I think I can share some examples. So by the end of 2024 last year, the installation of green energy in China has exceeded the installation of coal, which is, I think, really magnificent because China is used to be such a coal centric energy entity. So I think China itself has done a lot, and because traditionally solar energy was a 2B business, it's not a 2C business. But so in the rural area in China, the Chinese farmers used to put the agriculture on the rooftop for the sun to dry them. But these days, with all the automation, there's no longer needed. So the rooftop is a best fit for solar energy. And it can create what we call a very small microgrid. So you can have the solar energy on the roof, producing the energy to the residential users just below them. So we can create what we call a small ecosystem to better stabilize.
Is it enough for many of them?
It's more than enough, I'm telling you.
Okay, so more than needed.
It's maybe 10 times more than the energy.
And you can send the extra to the grid.
Exactly.